Good afternoon, everyone. So this one is by special request, body geometry. And although this is a special request, I've been asked about this one in the past. And basically that is, after you do all of this work to put yourself into a beautiful space, how do you maintain that if you are constantly being bombarded with negativity? Well, the easy answer is get an HFA mini, but if that's out a stretch or out of your cost, this is a great body geometry to do it. So there's a thing in the universe called karma, and you can go and read all about it. I'm going to tell you how it works in my reality, and basically that is, whatever you put out into the world, the higher the vibe it is, the higher vibe you're going to get back. The lower vibe it is, the more lower vibe you're going to get back. So for instance, if I do good things in the world, good things will come to me. And if I do bad things in the world, you're going to attract bad things back to you karmically. So when in the fact that everything in existence has consciousness, it's all very well aware of how karma works. So when you're constantly being bombarded with negativity, something that's low vibe, there's a conscious creation behind that that's actually making it happen. And what lower vibe conscious creations never want to do, and I mean ever, is admit that they're wrong. Okay? Now, there's an infinite amount of lower vibe conscious creations, and just use your imagination, and I'm sure you can kind of stir that up. But the best way to stop these conscious creations from continually negatively bombarding us with low vibe and stressing us out and anxiety and everything else that goes with it is to show them themselves in a mirror. It's so easily done. This is such a beautiful technique that I have taught people in session for years, and for the first time I'm actually going to share it now in a body geometry. So what we're going to do is we want to get our back straight, palms facing out. We're going to bring our hands together and create the V. As soon as this V is created, there's a swirling vortex of energy. It's pure source energy. It just spins up right in front of us and is there at our beckoning call. And all I want you to do 3-4 times is just breathe deeply through your mouth, breathing in that source energy and exhaling through your nose, okay? And as you're doing that, I just want you to kind of listen to me. So there is a shape in existence which is the perfect shape for life, and that is the shape of an egg, a chicken egg. So as you're breathing, what I want you to do is imagine yourself inside a chicken egg. You are curled up in that fetal position and you are surrounded by this beautiful encasing, okay? And on the outside of the encasing, I want you to just put a mirror. Just put a mirror. So, imagine yourself just, floating around this egg shape that's a mirror, but your consciousness and everything you are divinely is inside of that, okay? And what you'll notice here, and we're going to do this body geometry, is absolutely magical what's going to happen to the conscious creations that are sending you negativity. This is going to blow your mind, okay? So from here, what I want you to do is wrap your hands around, okay, and just make just like this, just nice and tight, like like when you were growing up, your mom's just squeezing you, or your big fat aunt is squeezing you, or whatever, just tight. You feel that tightness, and continue to breathe that energy through this body geometry. Okay, now as you're breathing in and you feel that tight warmness around you, imagine yourself in that eggshell and there's a mirror on the outside. And then look at the negativity that's coming to you. It's instantly deflected, and it actually speeds up once it hits the mirror and bounces back. And then trace it back to its origin. Just follow the stream and watch what happens watch the karma that gets delivered to the person, place, or thing that is sending you that negativity. It's absolutely mind-blowing. They instantly get that karma. Continue breathing through your mouth, exhaling through your nose. Follow the stream back. And just know that once you are inside this eggshell, nothing the negativity stops. And this is great. You did all this hard work to get where you are, and now you could just do this technique really anywhere, 3, 4, 5, 6 times a day, just to remind yourself that you are in that eggshell with that mirror on the outside, and you are perfect, and nothing's going to get through to harm you, cause you stress, anxiety. Just keep breathing through that energy, through the body geometry, and exhaling the garbage that needs to go. Pretty cool technique. Notice how it traces right back to the source. Now, it's not important that you trace it back to the source. This is kind of like a little extra added bonus maybe. But, the eggshell with the mirror is such simple logic. And anything conscious creation of the lower vibe absolutely does not want to see itself. And it won't. So when it hits it, they always have issues admitting the wrongdoing that they've done in whatever capacity it is, and they just instantly turn around and go back. So it's all good, folks. Awesome. Have a great day and enjoy this body geometry.